It's Keegan, and I am currently out at Pimpama where we have a issue with a hot water system that's not providing any hot water. So straight away what I've found out is that this cord here has been chewed, and I believe that that will be an issue as to why we're not getting any sort of response from the hot water unit. So I've just done a little test on this cord, and as you can see, this is the live side of the cord here, and basically when I put my test pin on it, we've got power, but after where this chew's been put on the cord there, we have no power until we get to there. So this cord is going to have to be replaced.